Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best tools and kits for creators and hobbyists. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best Friendship Bracelet Yarn kit available right now. The Friendship Bracelet String Kit by QCZKB. This isn't your average string kit. It's a complete, all-in-one solution designed for both beginners and seasoned crafters alike. The moment you open the package, you're greeted with a neatly organized compact storage box containing 80 vibrant rainbow-colored skeins, each one pre-wound on its own bobbin. This makes setup incredibly quick, and you can say goodbye to the tangled mess of threads we've all experienced with cheaper kits. Each skein is 8 meters long and made from 100% high-quality polyester. That gives it a glossy finish, a smooth texture, and durability that stands up to the tension of bracelet making, cross-stitching, and detailed embroidery work. The threads are divided into 6 strands per skein, making it super versatile depending on the thickness or finesse you need for your project. Whether you're creating intricate cross-stitch patterns, crafting tassels for keychains, sewing decorative designs, or sticking with classic friendship bracelets, this kit gives you the flexibility to do it all. The range of 80 colors means your creativity is never limited. From soft pastels to bright neons, there's a shade for every mood and idea. What sets this kit apart from the competition is not just the quality of the thread, but the attention to detail in its packaging. Everything is laid out clearly, and the pre-wound bobbins eliminate the hassle of preparation, letting you focus entirely on crafting. Another underrated feature is how portable it is. The compact storage box is lightweight, about 0.33 kilograms, and roughly 8.5 inches long. Perfect for travel or crafting on the go. Planning a crafting day with friends or heading to a workshop? Just grab the box and go. The material is also easy to care for. Simply hand wash any of your completed creations to keep them looking new. And since it's 100% polyester, the colors hold up beautifully over time without fading. To wrap it up, if you're searching for a gift for a creative friend, or want to level up your DIY game, this Friendship Bracelet String Kit from QCZKB is a fantastic choice. It combines quality, convenience, and color variety in one sleek package. It's not just a product, it's a gateway to hours of relaxing, creative joy. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more hands-on reviews of the best tools and kits for your creative life. See you in the next video.